going to show you how to use the zoom feature when you're giving your presentations from your iMac and you want to zoom into certain things to show how things work up close, similar to you hitting that subscribe button so I can continue making videos like this and getting this channel up and running. So, oh yeah, be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a couple things that you may and may not know that's going to help you with these Zoom features, okay? So be sure to subscribe. I'm only joking. If you want to subscribe, you can do that too. Here we go. Let's do it. I do want to let you know that I am currently using the latest version of the iOS system on the iMac, which is the Ventura 13.6. So I think there's a previous version which still has the same system settings, but let's go to it. The first thing you want to do is go to the left and click on the top left, and click on the Apple key, Apple logo, and then you click on System Settings. And once that opens up, your screen should look something like this. Now, usually I would go and try to search it, but Apple has now changed the format from the previous version to how it has its outline of finding different functions of the system settings. But the best way to get to it is to click on the search tab, and then you want to type in the word zoom, and you will see it where it says accessibility, zoom accessibility. That is the one you want. So click on that. And once you do that, go to zoom style. Underneath the choose display, you're going to see the advanced key. Click on advanced, and then you would go down to control. Hit see where it says command. Hold down the control and option to temporarily toggle zoom. Click on that, and now you should be able to zoom similar to the way I am doing it now. Oh, I told you to stick to the end because this video is very short. The best tool is the one that is defaulted to. It's pretty good, but I choose to use continuously with pointer because it seems a little less dizzier. I mean, it makes you less dizzy. And then I think when you're trying to showcase something, you just roll over it first as you talk like I'm doing now, and then you want to zoom into that. So you can roll over whatever you want to showcase at a larger scale. Roll over it first, and then click on the zoom. All right. So that's pretty much it for now. I appreciate all of the likes, follows, and sharing this video with someone who may need to know a little bit more about how to get around on your Mac. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Or maybe not. I won't see you at all.